show you guys a trick. Watch this. All fixed. Alright. Put this off. If you're doing this for the first time, I also want to mention that there's a lot of bolts right here you gotta remove. So you gotta be very careful to get all of them. And that size is a T27, just like that. Then you will remove your spark plug coils, this one and that one, after you disconnect your coil harness. Okay, let me just take this one apart real quick. Let's give this a shot. Hopefully it fixes everything. That's it.